Here's a 2025 Mastercraft X24 with 5 hours on the Ilmor 6.2-liter engine for sale by Action Watersports in Lewisville, Texas. This Mastercraft was originally listed for $239,900. Check the link in the description for current pricing or to contact the boat seller. This is a lightly used boat that was sold new from Action Watersports and recently traded in. It features a premium Scream Marine stereo install with extensive aftermarket options throughout. Shop OnlyInboards.com, dedicated exclusively to inboard wake, surf, and ski boats.